Going to the dentist with confidence seems to be complicated today. So how do you get your patients safely back in your practice, knowing that nothing is by chance? It's the Extens Minute. Hello, everyone. Hello, Emmanuel. You are the founder of Extens Consulting, a firm specializing in acquisition, customer experience, and staffing. And we're together today to talk about dental practices. So let me remind you of the concept of our videos. You have 1 minute after the question to give us one technique that will allow dental practices to build the world of tomorrow. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Clock started, let's go. How do you think dental practices can help patients come into their offices?
So Laura, confidence must be restored. They can do this by guaranteeing that when patients arrive, they will be alone in the waiting room. This means, for example, spacing out appointments. And then, once with the dentist, it's to make sure that not only do we have experts, but experts who take care of us, who are masked.
And so, Emmanuel, I imagine that we must address patients in a specific way. What should we do?
Yes, absolutely. For example, for scheduled appointments. Take, for example, Mrs. Organized. You must send her a message that speaks to her directly, such as, "Your care is our priority, there will be no waiting when you arrive, and you will be the only one without a mask."
Thank you, Emmanuel. Join us in our next video. We will be discussing hardware stores.